Hello and happy Saturday. I wanted to jump into the studio today to talk about the latest in regards to the tropical low off the northern coast of the country, because this tropical low has got a high chance of developing into a tropical cyclone later today, later on Saturday. And this is the tropical low in question. It's currently between 300 and 400 kilometres northwest of Darwin. Let's check out its movements over the next few days. A tropical low can be thought of as a weak tropical cyclone, but this weather system is intensifying, suggesting it is going to become a fully fledged Category 1 tropical cyclone later today, probably sometime during Saturday afternoon or Saturday evening, off of the northern Kimberley coast, which is this coastline here. Because of this expected development, we have already issued tropical cyclone warnings and watches for parts of the Kimberley, with the warning area being here in orange, the darker colour that stretches from the King George River mouth down to Kuri Bay. In that tropical cyclone warning, we anticipate gale force winds to develop in the next 24 hours, with the strongest winds probably coming in tonight or overnight into Sunday morning. We expect the winds will be strongest right along the coastline. The yellow tropical cyclone watch is where the winds will pick up just a little bit later on, potentially during the day on Sunday. Let's see how this might actually look as the system goes past. Firstly, note that it's going to stay over the water north of the country, with strong winds and some heavy rain just glancing by this northern coast of Western Australia. We could see some thunderstorms in the mix as well, although rainfall totals will mostly be moderate. Notice that by the end of Sunday it's a Category 2 tropical cyclone. Because this is an intensifying weather system, the category number is climbing as the system becomes stronger. Let's look how this could evolve through the first few days of next week, and I want to point out a couple of important things about the track for the next few days as well. We're now looking at Monday and Tuesday next week. Firstly, we're likely to see this continue to intensify, potentially up to a Category 3 tropical cyclone by Tuesday. Notice that its track takes it further away from the country. It's a lot further away from Western Australia on Tuesday compared to what we're looking at this weekend. And ultimately that means that the weather across northern WA will ease as it moves further away, as the wind, rain, swell and storms start to clear up. But finally, look at this grey bubble in the background. That's what we call our cone of uncertainty. That gives us a range of potential tracks that this cyclone could follow. There is a distinct chance that late next week we could see this system way up here duck to the south again, start moving closer to the country. If that occurs, then we could see an increase once again in the severe weather for northern Western Australia, with a return of strong to damaging winds, heavy rain, large waves and thunderstorms. That could be over parts of the Kimberley or potentially parts of the Pilbara. So if you are in any of the communities along the northern WA coast, this is definitely a weather system to watch. Be alert but not alarmed at this stage. Do stay up to date with the latest forecast tracks and warning areas, and they can always be found on the Bureau's website. Thanks for watching. Have a safe weekend.